We're going to do several of these interesting edges movies. This first one will be a simple way using a layer mask to make a background, interesting edges on the background. So the first thing we have to do is we have to duplicate the background because nothing can happen with the background in its regular locked state. So I'm going to duplicate it, and then I'm going to turn off the background. I'm going to use the rectangular marquee tool, and I'm going to make a selection. Just drag a selection around my subject in the picture. Now, because I've already made a selection, when I click on Make a Layer Mask, what's not selected turns black in the layer mask and therefore is blocked out. Now what I want to do is I'm going to hold my Option key down and click on the layer mask itself, and that becomes active. So that's what our layer mask looks like. Look carefully. What we're seeing on the big part of the picture is the same as our layer mask. So the first thing I want to do is I think I'll go to Filter, Blur, a Gaussian blur, and I'll click here on the edge. I've got a really high, see, I can make a fine blur where there's not much blur between, or a lot of blur, or even more. I think I'll add even more than that. And what this will give me, click OK, and now I'll either click Option right on the layer mask itself. That'll bring us back there in the picture. See, I've got a real soft edge. So what I'll do is I will make a new layer, and I will fill it using the Command Delete or Option Delete. We'll see which one works. Command Delete makes it white. I will drag it under, and now we have this soft edge picture. Pretty nice. And that's part one.